I have quality resentment. This is different from quantity resentment, and I'm going to teach you the difference. Quality resentment is a little and light resentment that you can hold for a long time that is motivational. It's like spite, but it's not the type that weighs you down. It's interest to hit someone back, but a light enough interest that it is still spiritually safe. I won my 93rd award today. It's almost 100. And it's because about a year ago, I made a promise that no, you know what? There's this one award show, it's called the Refocus Awards. They had me unranked, meaning my photos weren't good enough to have any number whatsoever. It's like the worst possible grade in the competition. And I said no, because I saw the pictures that won and they're just not cool enough to beat me. There's no way. There's no way, not in that competition. But what happened was, I held resentment, a quality resentment. I made a video on YouTube. I said, I lost one award. So now I'm going to win 100. I'm going to use the same damn photos that I used in that award. I won my 93rd. This is quality resentment. Holding a grudge, but perfectly executed. Anger can kill you, and anger can actually promote you. It is about filtering your energies, using something that comes in and impacts you to motivate you so that you can impact this thing back. Do you see? I wanted to teach you the difference between quality resentment and quantity resentment in this way, because one can be resentful in another way. One can throw away the camera. But that's too big a resentment. It's too heavy a resentment. One can start to try to attack the awards. It's too significant a resentment. You have to have a light resentment that you can carry, right? A light consideration that, nah, I'm going to take a screenshot when I have 100 awards and say, listen here, God damn it, I'm entering the award again, and you gonna rank me this time. I didn't ask you a damn question. And whether or not they rank you, you've ascended in life because you were resentful. And it's beautiful.